Enterprises today rely heavily on open source databases to power their applications. But managing these systems in-house can be a nightmare. Multiple versions, scattered extensions, and different vendors for infrastructure and database support. It's inefficient, risky, and drains your engineering resources. Tanzu Data Services offer comprehensive, unified support for enterprise-grade open-source databases, PostgreSQL, MySQL, RabbitMQ, and Vultr. Backed by VMware Tanzu, we bring over a decade of experience helping global enterprises manage and scale these technologies with confidence. Enterprises often juggle multiple major versions and dozens of extensions for critical features like replication, failover, point-in-time recovery, encryption, auditing, and monitoring. With VMware Tanzu, we handle the complexity for you. We provide pre-validated PostgreSQL solutions with quarterly patches and immediate CVE responses, ensuring reliability and security at scale. RabbitMQ is another area where we shine, offering unmatched expertise, feature enhancements, and tailored support for your enterprise messaging needs. What makes Tanzu Data Services unique is how we simplify support. With VMware Tanzu, you have a single phone number to call for both database and infrastructure issues. No more finger pointing between multiple vendors, just fast, reliable solutions. By consolidating your support for open source databases with VMware Tanzu, you eliminate the risks of DIY, reduce operational complexity, and free your teams to focus on innovation instead of maintenance.